Hi, my name is Jesseline, and we are going to do videos on how to transform similar figures and trying to figure out what's going on here. It says determine the similarity transformation. So it's already telling us that these figures are similar. Remember, we know similar means that they're the same shape and also the sides are proportional. So it means it's going to have a scale factor that will map the pre-image parallelogram ABCD. So this is our original figure right here in the blue, and to the image of EFGH, which is the green. So we'll start with knowing the scale factor. They already told us it's similar, so we need to determine the scale factor. That is our first thing when we know that we are transforming similar figures. So to determine the scale factor, we can look at one of the sides. So this side right here, DC, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5 lengths long. And so its corresponding side here is HG. It goes from 2 to 12, so that's going to be 10 long. So 5 to 10, we know the scale factor. Since this is our original image, and this is our... and the green is our transformated figure, we're saying, what did we go from here to here? Well, we multiplied by 2, right? So scale factor is always multiplication. So multiplied by 2, it's 5 times what gives me 10? Well, it gives me 2. So my scale factor is 2. So we know our rule for our scale factor. When we write our rule becomes 2x and 2y. So let's pick a point. I'm just going to pick the point B, and we're going to apply that scale factor. That point for B is, let's see, it's -5. I'm looking at the coordinate point, -5, 3. Okay, so -5, 3. So we're going to apply that scale factor, multiply the x value by 2 and the y value by 2. So the x value, 2 times -5 is -10, and 2 times 3 is 6. So this is my B. Well, so after we apply the scale factor, my B corresponds to F, right? And that tells me that coordinate value is 8, 6. 8, 6. Well, we're at 10, 6, and we need to get to 8, 6. Well, how do I get there? So if I'm at -10, 6 after applying the scale factor and I need to get to 8, 6, how do I get there? Well, the y doesn't do anything. So for my y, I'm just going to do the 2y. So that's my rule there. So 2y, because I don't translate it at all. So the first thing we do is 2x, 2y. And then my next translation, so to get from -10 to 8, I added 18, right? Because -10 plus 18 gives me 8. So my translation rule is x plus 18, and then my y stays the same. So this is my transformation rule. The first thing we do is dilate it by 2, and then we translate the x to 18. And if you want to make sure you're right, you can check it by doing another point. Let's do the point A. Point A is -10, 3. So A is -10, 3. So after applying the 2x, 2y rule, we get -20 and 6. And then if I apply my translation rule, add 18 to the x, if I add 18, that would be -2, 6. And let's see if this is at -2, 6. -2, 6. It is. And so we know this right here is correct. Okay? Thank you for watching.